Hello everyone. My project focuses on an AI-based IT project risk prediction system designed to help project managers identify projects that are likely to experience delays, budget overruns, or delivery risks. The solution uses machine learning to analyze project data and provide early warning signals, allowing teams to take proactive corrective actions. So in this presentation, I'll cover the task analysis, user experience design, privacy considerations, and ethical considerations. So I'll start with the task analysis. So many IT projects fail to meet deadlines or exceed budgets because risks are identified too late. Project managers often rely on manual reviews, status reports, and intuition to detect potential problems. The challenge is identified at risk projects early enough to take corrective action. So the primary task of a project manager is monitor project health and identify risks before they impact delivery. So the current workflow that the project manager must follow is first review project dashboards, second analyze schedules and budgets, third check resource utilization, fourth review issue and defect logs, fifth conduct status meetings, determine if risks exist, and then create mitigation plans. This process can be time consuming and subjective. So the insights from task analysis is like machine learning can simplify this workflow by automatically analyzing project data, highlighting high risk projects, prioritizing risks based on severity, recommending areas requiring attention. So instead of manually reviewing multiple reports, project managers receive a focused list of projects needing intervention. This significantly improves efficiency and decision making. So we'll move to user experience design now. How users interact with the solution. The primary users are project managers, program managers, PMO leaders. The interaction flow is data is collected from Jira, Azure DevOps, and project management systems. The AI model analyzes project performance indicators, a dashboard displays project risk scores, users review predictions and recommend actions. Users provide feedback on prediction accuracy. So now the AI UX consideration. The user inputs and feedback loops. The input should be the system uses schedule performance, budget utilization, resource allocation, open defects, sprint velocity, scope changes. The feedback loop is users can mark predictions as accurate, partially accurate, or incorrect. This feedback is stored and used to improve future model performance. This creates a continuous learning cycle between users and the AI system. The, the second AI UX consideration is transparency. The user should understand why a project is classified as high risk. Instead of displaying only a risk score, the system will explain risk score, contributing factors like 25% schedule variance, high defect count, multiple unresolved critical issues. So providing explanations increases user trust and improves adoption. Okay, so we'll move on to the next privacy considerations. So the privacy risk. The system processes project and employee related data such as team performance, resource utilization, project assignments, user activity logs. Improper handling of this data could create privacy concerns. So the data protection strategy. So to protect privacy, collect only necessary data. Mask personally identified information where possible. Encrypt data during storage and transmission. Apply role-based access controls. Maintain audit logs. So applicable privacy laws are for organizations operating in Europe and the UK. Key regulations include UK GDPR and the EU GDPR. These regulations require lawful collection of personal data, clear user notification, data minimization, secure storage, user rights to access and correct their data. So compliance with these regulations will be incorporated into the product design. So next we'll move on to ethical considerations. Potential sources of bias. Several bias may impact the model, like historical bias, selection bias, team bias. To ensure fairness, use diverse project data sets, regularly test model performance across different project categories, monitor for biased predictions. All projects should be evaluated using the same criteria. Accountability. The accountability, human oversight remains essential. Project managers will make final decisions. The AI system provides recommendations rather than automated actions. Clear ownership and governance processes will be established. Next is transparency. So the system will explain why a risk prediction was made, which factors influence the prediction, the confidence level of the prediction. So this allows users to understand and challenge predictions when necessary. So we'll go with demo. Now for the demo portion, I'll show a screenshot of a dashboard displaying the project name, risk score, confidence level, top risk factors, and recommended actions. This demonstrates how project managers receive actionable insights from the system. So, in conclusion, this AI-based IT project risk prediction system helps organizations identify project risk early and improve delivery outcomes. Through thoughtful task analysis, user-centered design, strong privacy practices, and ethical AI principles of fairness, accountability, and transparency, the solution provides practical business value while maintaining user trust. Thank you, everyone, for listening.